Hi, welcome to this video. I am Sashikala from the Department of Clinical Lab Technology, Dr. NGP Arts and Science College. Today, I am going to discuss about the topic cancer. So the topics covered under the cancer are what is a cancer, definition and classification of cancer, causes and types of cancer, characteristics of cancer, carcinogenesis and its types. What is a cancer? Cancer is either defined or characterized by loss of control of cellular growth and development, leading to excessive proliferation, multiplication, and spread of cells. The character of cancerous cells, which can migrate, are there and cause pain to any part of the body. It is similar to that of crab. The character of cancerous cells also leads to a condition known as neoplasia, which means new growth of cells. The character of cancerous cells also results in a condition known as tumor, which means the swelling of cells. Coming to the types of tumors. So the study of tumor is known as oncology. So this oncology is a branch of science which deals with the different types of tumors. So the tumor involves two major types. The first one is benign tumor. The next one is malignant tumor. Benign tumor usually grow by expansion and remains encapsulated in a layer of connective tissue. Normally, the benign tumors are not life-threatening and harmful. For example, moles and warts. Whereas these types of benign tumors are not considered as cancers. The second type of tumors are malignant tumors or cancers. These are characterized by uncontrolled proliferation and spread of cells to various parts of the body, and this process of spreading is known as metastasis. The malignant tumors are invariably life-threatening and very harmful. For example, lung cancer and leukemia. Coming to the classification of the cancer, about 100 different types of human cancers have been recognized. So the cancers are arising from two different cell types. Accordingly, they are known as carcinomas or sarcomas. When the cancerous cells are arised from epithelial type of cells, it is known as carcinomas. Whereas when the cancer cells are arised from connective tissues, they are known as sarcomas. So methods for the early detection and treatment of cancers have been developed in recent years. However, very little is known about the biochemical mechanism and basis of the occurrence of cancer. Cancer is the second largest killer disease in the developed countries. It is estimated that the cancer accounts for more than 20% of deaths in United States of America. Based on the current rate of incidence, it is believed that 1 in every 3 persons will develop cancer at some time during their lifespan. Humans of all ages develop cancer. The incidence usually increases with advancement and progress of their age. More than 70% of the new cancer cases occurs in persons over 60 years of their age. Surprisingly, the cancer is a leading cause of death in children, especially in the age group between 3 to 13 years, and half of them die due to the type of cancer known as leukemia. Coming to the causes of cancer, in general, cancers are multifactorial in origin. The causative agents include the physical, chemical, genetic, and environmental factors. A survey in USA has shown that about 90% of all cancer deaths are due to avoidable factors like tobacco, pollution, occupation, alcohol, and diet. The first cause for the cancer is chemical carcinogens. It is estimated that almost 80% of the human cancers are caused by chemical carcinogens in nature. The chemicals may be either organic substance or inorganic substance. For example, the organic substances like dimethylbenzatrazine, benzopyrene, dimethyl nitrosamide are responsible for causing this type of chemical carcinogenesis. Whereas the inorganic substances, for example, arsenic, cadmium, are responsible for chemical carcinogenesis in nature. Entry of these chemical substances into the body may occur by one of the following mechanisms: occupation, diet, drugs, and lifestyle. In case of occupation, the laborers or workers who are employing in asbestos and benzene like compounds are more exposed to this type of chemical carcinogenesis. The diet such as aflatoxin B-produced fungus, contamination of foodstuffs, particularly in peanuts, also cause chemical carcinogenesis. The drugs like, especially the therapeutic drugs like diethyl stilbestrol are more carcinogenic and it falls under the chemical carcinogens. The lifestyle modifications such as cigarette smoking, alcohol consumption are responsible for the chemical carcinogenesis. Next cause for the cancer is physical carcinogens. The physical carcinogens usually involves the radiation energy. So the different types of radiation energies like ultraviolet rays, X-rays, gamma rays are considered as a major physical carcinogens which causes cancer. So the ultraviolet rays directly affects the pyrimidine dimers in DNA which results in the cancer. X-rays involves in the production of free radicals which is also responsible for the physical carcinogenesis. Gamma rays usually they are mutagenic in nature which causes the cancer by affecting the DNA genetic material. These rays causes molecular damages in DNA which is a basic mechanism to explain the carcinogenicity. Next important cause for the cancer is biological carcinogenesis. The involvement of viruses in the etiology of cancer was first reported by the scientist known as Rouse in the year 1911. The viruses involved in the development of cancer are commonly known as oncogenic viruses, which may either contain DNA as a genetic material or RNA as their genetic material. These cancers are transmitted from mother to daughter cells. In other words, usually a cancer cell always beget a cancer cell. So the biological carcinogenesis involves the mechanisms like chromosomal abnormalities which are observed in many tumor cells, damage to DNA that is caused by mutations often result in carcinogenesis. The laboratory experiments have proved that purified oncogenes can transform even the normal cell into a cancer cells. So the oncogenic viruses which causes cancer are also known as cancer viruses or classified in this tabular column, and the members which belongs to these cancer viruses are also shown in the shown in this table. So they are usually classified under DNA viruses and RNA viruses. So the DNA viruses which causes cancer are adenovirus, herpes virus and papavirus. So the adenovirus includes the members of adenovirus 12 and 18 that is responsible for cancer. Herpes virus includes Epstein-Barr virus, herpes simplex virus. Papavirus includes papilloma virus and polyoma viruses. Coming to the RNA viruses which causes cancers or retrovirus type B, for example, memory tumor virus of mouse, retrovirus type C, the example is leukemia and sarcoma. So these are all the cancer viruses which causes the biological carcinogenesis. So in this video, so far we have learnt about the cancer and its definition, classification, causes, the types of different cancer, characteristics of the cancer, and carcinogenesis and its types like chemical carcinogen, biological carcinogen, and physical carcinogen. I hope this video is very helpful to learn about the introduction and the types classification of cancer. Thank you all.